guys. Okay. So
Elbow.
So we got our 50 logs.
And it's taking us till
50 likes.
1 in the morning to do this.
And it is 1:40 in the
Almost
morning.
2.
We did it twice now. The first one we fucked up big time.
I can't twerk. I get really shy.
I look really bad at swinging, so make fun of me
suck.
all you want.
I
don't
just
care.
suck, put it that way.
Look it. My tongue blue. Ah.
Shoot a fish.
I'm a fish. I'm a fish. I'm a fish. Okay. Okay. Yeah. We're gonna. I'm gonna swing. I'm gonna try to swing.
Badass.
I'm not good. I say I'm really fucking bad. If you wanna make fun of me, go ahead. I don't give a fuck. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna swing, and then she's gonna twerk.
Nah.
She's gonna twerk. And then we're gonna run, which we really suck.
True.
Okay. So here's my attempt at trying to swing. Alright. I am so scared. Alright.
Cut. No.
Did it start?
No.
Yeah, start. You stopped it.
My bad.
Okay, start. Okay.
Cut.
That was a fail already.
ese cuento ese con la misma cuchara. Ya bajamos pa' 3 meses y en el campo de meter, pero tú te me pones a rica. Y el reto sé que quieres, también quiero, pero cuando estamos juntos siempre me pone un pero. ¿Qué te pasa? No seas boba, no te me quites ahora. No te me pongas nerviosa, que no sé qué estás ansiosa. Déjate llevar, que no te haga que digas. Y súbete la falda para arriba, cógete ese panty, no lo peleado. Quiero que te me trepes encima, acércale y ponle lo que sea. Súbete la falda para arriba, cógete ese panty, no lo peleado. Quiero que te me trepes encima, acércale y ponle lo que sea. Primero quiero que tú y yo nos
Hey, fuck that. I'm tired. That sucks.
Primero quiero que tú y yo nos conozcamos. Depende de lo que pase hoy.
Hey, watch her twerk. It's funny. It's like that ass though.
Work that monkey. Work that monkey. Work that monkey. Let me see you do it. Work that monkey. Drop down. Work that
Hold on. You have to look straight at the camera if you don't want to. You have to look straight at the camera if you don't want to. Keep going. Okay. Keep going. Think she could move. I wish I could move like that. Like all like, woo. That was my baby.
That was really bad. I got really shy. Sorry.
All these guys are probably like, damn.
We're like, no.
Okay. We suck at this shit, but I'm gonna try. Well, I suck at this shit, but I'm gonna try anyway.
I could fall off today. But still a famous nigga, huh? Young fly nigga for sure. Okay, now put your ass on my dick and pose some shit. Okay, now freak my shit. Freak my shit. Freak my shit. Bitch, freak my shit. Freak my shit. Freak my shit. Freak my shit. Bitch, freak my shit. Said I'm about to fuck, come on, dancing with it.
Too high. I can't even see you.
I'm about to fuck, come on, dancing with it. Shout out to the fucking DJ. Playing shit. Ass all over me. Drunk, it's the only way I'm supposed to be. My ex say I'm tripping. The money made me different. I said, bitch, you just addicted because of what it did. Do you like this position? Do you like this position? Let us sit you sipping, get you interested in kissing women. Is it fuck your inhibition? Fuck your inhibition. And bring that ass back like it's stuck in intermission. Cute chick with her hair curly. She ride a dick till it get early. She clean, but she dance 30. Fuck me, getting blown out. Bitch, I am Kirby. You making love too long. Do me like your nigga gone. Do me like your nigga gone. Baddest girls in LA in the Bay, and I know them even when I'm on break. So if I fall off today, I'm still a famous nigga. I'm a young fly nigga for sure. Okay, now put your ass on my dick. Hold some shit. Okay, now freak my shit. Freak my shit. Freak my shit. Bitch, freak my shit. Freak my shit. Freak my shit. Freak my shit. Bitch, freak my shit. Said I'm about to fuck, come on, dance with it. I'm about to fuck, come on, dance with it. Shout out to the fucking DJ playing the shit.
If your bitch came up to me, homie, that's Mac. Swag killing you, and what you call your best out. Plenty more, so it's for sure we getting on these whores. Have an orgy in this bitch, no more like doors. You a wallflower, not West, no. I got my Jordans on, so don't step on me. Be up here and flexing. I might have to drop you home, tell the motherfucking DJ to turn the walker on. But I'm gonna turn it down, because it's too much pussy from my go.
Can I sing to you?
Birds, calling whips, they ain't doing so shit. I'm a girl, get juicy, dancing on me. African booty, call it Judy. Tonight it's going down, I only came out here for words. Instead of lights drop, actually got the words. I didn't do nothing, the bitch came on to me first. I can't lie, I had to swear to told that bitch the word.
Okay, now freak my shit. Freak my shit. Freak my shit. Bitch, freak my shit. Freak my
Look,
shit.
guys, I'm corny.
Freak my shit. Freak my shit.
How you doing?
Bitch, freak my shit. Said I'm
You're like-
about to fuck, come on, dance with it.
Another thing, you're fucking, this is you. You're like trying to.
I'm about to fuck, come on, dance with it. Shout out to the fucking
Can't
DJ
swipe for
playing
shit.
shit.
I tried. I'm like,
You actually know how. I don't know how.
yo, fuck that. I can't sweep for shit. Okay, bye.